Well, just as you thought that the case of Kilmar Abrego Garcia was over, Trump decides to bring it up again. Fantastic, excellent. And well, we know that he was sent. Oh, he got detained. He got deported, sent to fucking Secot for I think it was like a couple weeks, like 16 fucking weeks or something. Or no, not 16 weeks. He's been gone for 160 days. That's what it is. Longer than fucking 16 weeks. And he's just come back fucking recently. And now we had like weird dipshits like Stephen Miller accusing him of doing crimes that he didn't do, calling him a fucking human trafficker, a drug dealer. Again, the administration has presented absolutely no evidence for this whatsoever, and they have suggested that they should fucking deport him to Uganda for this. So they plan to fucking deport Abrego Garcia yet again, not this time to fucking Uganda, after he was wrongfully deported to El Salvador. Keep in mind that the exact same fucking federal judges who said that the Trump administration has to do everything possible within their power to bring back Kilmar Abrego Garcia, and the Trump administration just ignored that fucking order, which was illegal for them. Yeah, Stephen Miller is saying this, who's a literal fucking human trafficker himself, but whatever. Same with fucking Trump being in the fucking Epstein files and having associations to fucking Epstein. The hypocrisy is not lost on me. Trump administration said it plans to deport Kilmar Abrego Garcia to Uganda months after being mistakenly sent in a case that has become a flashpoint in the president's rider crackdown on immigration. In a filing, lawyers for Abrego asked the courts to dismiss the case against him on grounds that it is a vindictive attempt to punish him for challenging his initial deportation to El Salvador. The attempt to deport Garcia to far-flung Uganda, a country he has no connection to, adds a new twist to a saga that became a lightning rod for Trump's harsh crackdown on immigration, which has seen right-wing supporters praise the president's toughness, but legal scholars and human rights advocates blast what they call a haphazard rush to deport people without a court hearing, which is a violation of basic U.S. law. Yeah, exactly. But we have Tom Homan, that fucking burn victim, this, I don't know, literal fucking cancer victim, talking about this as well. Our Abrego Garcia absolutely will be deported. Why don't we take a look?
Joining us now for the big close-up interview, Border Czar Tom Homan. Tom, thanks for joining us tonight. Obviously,
Border Czar not a real position, by the way.
A fast-moving case. Abrego Garcia's lawyer says the government is, quote, weaponizing the immigration system against him. My question is, what's your response to accusations that you're weaponizing the immigration system, and will, in fact, Abrego Garcia soon be heading to Uganda?
He is absolutely going to be deported from this country. He's not going to walk the streets of this nation, so he can enjoy the little time he has with his family. And for the person who says we're not going to separate family, his family can go with him because he's leaving. He's going to be deported. Look, he's a criminal alien.
Criminal alien, again, no, this has been already sort of litigated and everything. There is no evidence to suggest that he is a fucking criminal. The point of the Trump administration doing this is because they just want to fucking deport him because he's fucking brown. And he became a fucking very, very high profile case that the Trump administration lost on. That is why they are very intent on trying to deport Kilmar Abrego Garcia. They are mad about the fact that they lost.
He's a member of MS-13, which is now a designated terrorist. He's a white beater. He's a human.
No evidence of this whatsoever that he's a part of MS-13. Again, keep in mind, the evidence that he's a part of MS-13 was Trump looking at the fact that MS-13 was superimposed on his fucking knuckles, and he thought that was actually fucking there. Yeah, apparently, yeah, he was a wife beater. Again, that was a claim that was said by his wife that she ultimately fucking retracted. Like, she retracted the fucking wife beater stuff. So, coming from the dude who definitely looks like he's been in multiple divorces as a result of beating his fucking wife. Get the fuck out of here with this bullshit.
Human trafficker. He's been indicted for human trafficking.
He's been indicted for human trafficking. From what I understand, no, he has not been indicted for fucking human trafficking. That case was also fucking complete fucking bullshit. Where he was driving up some people that he had no idea were, I think, illegal aliens at the time. I talked about this before. I could put it in the description. He was driving some people, right? And he had no idea that he was working with a company that was driving around people for fucking illegal fucking smuggling at all whatsoever. So to claim that he was a knowing fucking human trafficker is not fucking accurate.
Smuggling. He's a bad person. He's not going to be here. He's been order removed twice. Order removed by 2 different federal judges. He's going to leave this country in the very near future, and his family go.
Again, just lies. There's not they're literally the federal judges have told him to be brought back. What federal judges? He's just lying. It's just a lie. It's a lie.
With him. I can't see who was talking before the sound bites, but whoever said we're taking advantage of broken immigration system, what do they do? What do those people do the last 4 years about this broken immigration system? They let 10.5 million people cross that border. Sex trafficking women.
No, what? 10.5 million people? Oh, I thought it was like 20 million people. These people can't get any of their fucking claims straight. No. 1.2 million people were given temporary protected status by the Biden administration to come to the fucking US because of a funny little thing that your fucking guy did called the 2019 fucking Venezuela coup attempt, when Juan Guaido and 3 other dudes in a fucking trench coat got caught out by some Venezuelan fucking fishermen. Like, come on, bro. It's complete utter fucking nonsense. Oh, thank you for the clarification there, Alex. It was a restraining order she took out on him while they were dating. Since then, she obviously took it back. She fucking married him. Yeah, exactly. Whoa, she rescinded all of that fucking shit. Who would have thought? Oh, 1000%, Boy Meets Mini, that he could just go to Uganda, have them, I don't know, like fight back or some shit, and take the U.S. out to fucking International Crimes Court. Like, they should fucking do that, but who the fuck knows if they're actually going to do that. But again, why was there a lot of Venezuelan migrants that came up? Because of this. You got mad about the fact that your coup attempt was a miserable fucking failure. And then you decided to fucking throw it out, have a hissy fit, slap a bunch of goddamn sanctions on Venezuela, and made the economy go into fucking hyperinflation, which caused a migration wave as a result. Crazy. U.S. Ambassador to Uganda was appointed by Biden, so I don't know if Trump will change that position out. Maybe. Who really knows?
Children all-time high. Overdose deaths of fentanyl all-time high. Number of terrorists all-time high. They didn't do anything to fix it. President Trump is keeping the promise to American people to enforce the law, and that's what we're doing. We're making this country safer every day by removing people.
Buddy, weren't you also in fucking power when all those things allegedly fucking happened? Why didn't you do anything about it? Curious. Maybe you're also not upholding the fucking law. Nonsense.
Like Abrego Garcia.
Hey, just to follow up, Tom. So just to be clear, is Abrego Garcia headed to Uganda? The lawyers apparently telling the AP that DHS notified on Friday at 4 p.m. that they may remove him to Uganda in 72 hours. Can you confirm that?
Look, Uganda's on the table. We'll see. I mean, you know,
dude, they're just salty about the fact that he came back. Like, they're just mad about the fact that they lost. They're just mad. It's just salty.
DOJ's, you know, our immigration attorneys and the judges, they're all in negotiations, and we'll see what happens. But Uganda's on the table. We have an agreement with them. It's on the table, absolutely.
Hey, Tom, it's Nicole. 1,700 National Guardsmen across 19 states are getting ready to help DHS crack down on crime and also the illegal immigration.
Okay, I don't give as much of a shit about the fucking DHA stuff.
They're not going to stop us from doing this. They're going to put roadblocks up. We're going to take them to court. We'll appeal the decisions, and we'll win the decisions because we are enforcing the law. That's what the other side isn't.
Yeah, dude, you're enforcing the law by like randomly going after and fucking blackbagging people. A complete fucking nonsense, dude. Yeah, like, that's why they're sending in the National Guard. I mean, we already fucking talked about that stuff. I guess he's not going to give a fuck anymore about the Kilmar Abrego Garcia stuff. I mean, you know, it's as expected from this fucking administration who doesn't give a fuck about any people's fucking rights and civil liberties. They're willing to fucking trample on all that stuff if it means that they can do some like stupid authoritarian fucking crackdown. And for what exactly? I don't know. The crime of, I don't know, coming to the fucking country and claiming asylum or something, and then doing everything properly in order to become a naturalized citizen of the United States. These people are the real fucking terrorists. They hate you. They want you gone simply because you have a fucking particular skin color. They're just a bunch of fucking racist morons and fucking freaks. That's why they're fucking trying to do this. They want to make an example out of Kilmar Abrego Garcia because they ended up fucking losing to him. And like, take a look at this. What, Kilmar Abrego Garcia seeing his family. Like, bro's a fucking family man, bro. Like, seriously, they want to fucking
For the
tear
first
this
time in
apart for
5
what
months,
exactly?
Kilmar Abrego Garcia is no longer in federal custody and finally is reunited with his family. Abrego Garcia, he's the man who was wrongly deported to a prison in El Salvador back in March.
What did he do? Like, again, what did he do wrong? Every motherfucking judge said, bring him back. You're going to bring him back. You're going to do everything possible to bring him back, because what you're doing here is fucking illegal. Even the lawyers that were trying to defend the Trump administration's decision, saying, like, I don't know, man, we're just, like, following orders here. Like, they told us to fucking do this, so we're fucking doing it. Complete, utter fucking nonsense. Again, what did he do to deserve this exactly? I don't know. Basically fucking nothing. Complete, utter nonsense.
He returned to the U.S. in June to face human smuggling charges. Last month,
which is also complete fucking bullshit. Like, let's be honest here. This is just authoritarianism 101. They want to fucking crack down. They want to fucking do all the stupid, like, military fucking fascistic bullshit because they're just mad about the fact that nobody fucking likes them. It's just complete, utter soy larp tier fucking idiotic bullshit from this stupid fucking administration. Again, he has a pay-for-play scheme with Nayib Bukele specifically, which is why he wants to send a bunch of people who want for like a bunch of fucking prison slave labor to effectively what is a prison slave labor camp in Sekop prison. That's the reason why he's doing any of this fucking bullshit. It's all fucking pay-for-play shit. And he wants to crack down on who he perceives are his fucking opponents. And wants to scapegoat minorities and immigrants. So it's the exact same fucking shit as every other, like, fascistic, dictatorial dipshit has done since time fucking immemorium. And, whoa, crazy. Trump is just doing this because he doesn't give a fuck about the law. He's gonna send his, like, little fucking bulldog stooge, this motherfucking piece of shit Tom Homan, to go out and lie about Kilmar Abrego Garcia, and he's going to send out screechy little fascist Nazi freaks like Stephen Miller in order to cry and piss and shit himself on the fucking camera about the fucking Democrats that are trying to stop illegal fucking occupations that the government is doing without telling the fucking governors. Because these people have their little Gestapo quota system of wanting to deport an amount of people each and every single fucking day, because these people are fucking fascists. They are racists. They are fucking pieces of shit. Don't think there's really much else to say besides these people are fucking freaks.